Remember, this is recovery week, so you want to make sure that you are coupling the exercises and the workouts with stretching, foam rolling, again, maybe some meditation, and then just good overall eating habits to facilitate that recovery process. For today's workout, we're going to have swings and slams. Essentially, you have 10 rounds, and then these are going to be your reps. So you're going to do 5 swings, 5 slams, rest as you need to, then you're going to do 10 swings, 10 slams. Again, resting as you need to. Once you've done that first round, you're going to go right into the round 2. Again, repeat the reps listed, and then at the end of that, you're going to add a 400-meter run. And you're just going to work your way through the rounds, doing all the reps that are listed, and putting in a 400-meter run where you see that. If you don't have a treadmill or don't know how far 400 meters is, you could map that out, or just run down the street and come back. Again, don't need to make it super complicated. Just make sure you get that run in to increase the overall intensity.